Welcome back to Woodacres. Today we're going to be setting up a new solar pump that someone just sent me to try out. It's going to help me with a goal I have here on property, and that is to see a hummingbird bathing in my pond. I have the little pump here. It arrived rather quickly, and I have everything together that I think I want to use for what I'm going to use it for. It came with a lot of extra pieces as well, so you can use it for a bunch of different things. Some length of hose so you can run it for a fountain, as well as some different tips and caps so you can get some different sprays, and some extra filter pads as well. But I think I have everything I'm going to use it for. It came with this pad to keep the pump underwater, so you can actually let it float on the surface of the water, and as the water goes down, this will float down with it so it doesn't run dry. It comes with a really long cord for the solar panel, which is good, so we're going to get it out to the pond where I have the panel placed already. We're also going to need a few of these things. I have a bird bath dish so we can set the pump inside, and I also have these blocks because I want to get that dish at the right level in the pond. So we're going to set up a bird bath into the top of the waterfall basin here, just underneath the water surface, so the pump can sit there and run, but it won't float away with the current of the water. I think over on this side is going to work the best. I'm using these fire brick because they're nice and level, or nice and thin. I don't want it to be wobbly. It's got to be pretty sturdy so the birds don't get scared and fall out. Now I can set the pump right in. I'm going to put all these stones in here for one, to hold the bowl down in place, but also to keep the pump in the center. What's nice about this bird bath, it should never go dry. It's nice that it comes with a long cable so you can get the solar panel away from the actual feature. So I'm going to run this cord behind all the stone, try and hide it a little bit, and get it plugged in here. This comes with a pretty decent sized solar panel as well, so it's going to capture a lot of light. There's a cord right here, easy plug in, and then you can thread it on to make sure it's weather tight outside. Now it says it should fire up within 15 seconds, and if it doesn't, then you're going to want to unplug it and then plug it back in and try again. We had a decent sunny day. There's some clouds up there, but we have pretty good sun going right now, so hopefully this will pop right on. So while we're waiting on that, I have been working on getting the pond all cleaned up here. We did get a lot of algae over winter and into the spring, early summer. Oh, a dragonfly hitting the water right there. Oh, that's neat. But I got most of it cleaned out here. The water quality is really nice right now. And we picked up some new piping, so I'm able to get that geyser created there, the new feature over by the intake bay. Then I can work on hiding that piping and making it look natural. We also ordered the new pump, so we're going to be getting that new pump installed over there for the waterfall. And the pump that's running the waterfall right now will move over to the intake bay and the wetland bog filter and start pumping as a filter for theirs. So once we get the two pumps running, it's going to be a lot cleaner and filter a lot nicer. I'm going to go ahead and try. Oh, it just came on. Right as I was going to unplug it, it just came on. So we do have a little bit of cloud cover up there, so I don't know if once it gets started it can hold a little bit of battery life for it to keep running until the cloud passes. But right now it has pretty good flow, and that should be enough splash factor there to draw the birds in. So I'll have to give it some time, see if they can find it, and maybe we can see some hummingbirds actually using this bath. I want to thank POPOSOAP for sending this out and giving me a chance to try it so I can try and get some hummingbirds to bathe in my pond here. If you have a bird bath that you want to draw in some more birds and you want to try something like this out, it's solar powered and you don't need to run any cords. There'll be a link in my description. You can pick one up for your gardens. All right, the sun really just came out full force right now and the pump shut off for some reason. What's going on? It's definitely getting enough light. The water's clean, so it shouldn't be plugging up right. All right, I guess we'll try and unplug it and plug it back in. Give it a couple seconds and see if she'll pop back on. We do have plenty of sun today. Get some water for the ducks while I wait. Hey, ducklings. Major and company, how are you doing? Yeah, you could use a little freshen up, can't you? Watch out, bud. I gotta get their water cleaned up. How you doing? You're all getting so big. Look at you. Yeah. There you go, guys. Some fresh water on a hot day. Come on, pup. Come on. You want to fight? Huh? And still nothing going on here. Not sure why. So we do have a little bit of cloud cover up there. I can actually see a rainbow ring going around the sun right now. That's neat. I don't know if that's just my sunglasses. I doubt the phone's gonna pick it up, but that's cool. We have a full circle rainbow going around the sun right now. And no water coming out of my pump. Restart the fountain pump if it doesn't work. Add enough water, clean the pump, replace sponge, cover the solar panel, put the pump into water, expose the panel to the sun, regain in 15 seconds. Remove panel, reconnect. Okay, that was one thing I didn't try. Just cover the panel, the whole panel for 15 seconds, I think it said. And then we uncover, and within 15 seconds it should come on. And there it is again, it's running. It needs enough sunlight so it can actually run. If it has a little bit of cloud cover, it probably will just shut off and you'll have to wait for a sunnier day. All right, well the pump does work just fine. You just need to have really sunny days. If you have any cloud cover at all, it'll just shut off and you'll just have to wait for a sunnier day for it to come back on. But I think it'll be a nice feature here to draw in more birds to the top of the pond. So we're just gonna have to keep watching and see if we can bring in a hummingbird. I wanna thank POPOSOAP for sending this out so I can give it a try. If you wanna try out this pump, I'll leave a link down in the description. I've had trouble with a lot of pumps I've gotten online before, so we're just gonna have to wait and see if this pump's gonna last. So I'll keep you up. Ooh, get out of here, bee. But I'll keep you updated in the next coming videos. If you want to see some more from Wood Acres and the completion of this pond project out here, make sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button before you leave, and you can see me and Echo on the next one. Thanks for watching.